Okay, good morning guys. It's 10:13 a.m. on the 31st of August 2010. Just quick, this one kind of happened fairly quick, so Ian spotted this one, so just kind of been looking at it. The most interesting thing here is we have the daily TDST support down here at the 1.0179 level there, and we've just hit that level now, and we've made a TD buy setup at that level. You can see we bounced a little, we had the thrust bar there, and we've also made a TD combo setup here. You can see the TD combo on the 15 minute and a 9 count on the 15 minute as well. So I've taken a wee long position here based on that with a very tight stop on this one. Only sort of 14 pips. So we'll see how this one goes. Should we make the TDF buy setup here on the 15 minute by producing a thrust bar, I'll then look to add some more positions to this one and see how it goes from there. So initially just taking the TD buy setup followed by thrust bar on the 5-minute chart here, based on the fact that we've hit quite a key level, being the daily TDST support. I mean, it did actually happen a fair while ago. This level was made, but we've been looking for somewhere to bounce on this pair for a long time now. We've had a 13 count and a 9 count. There is divergence been slowly building here from that point that we made the 13 count. As you can see, I mean, the MACD is starting to go a little lower now, but if it does sort of bottom here and move up, then obviously the MACD will be able to see a clear divergence in that. So yeah, so just a wee small low risk trade here, and I'll keep you updated on how this one goes. Initial target on this one will be the 212 level. Okay, cheers. Okay, moved on just a wee bit on this trade now. Looks like we're probably going to get this 15-minute confirmation now of the second sort of TDF buy setup here with the thrust bar. As you can see, we obviously had the first one here down at the low, falling off a little bit at the end of this candle here, but it looks like we're going to get the second thrust bar here coming in on the 15-minute chart. So I mean, I would probably wait if we get a pullback to enter in on this one. So it's 11 pips below the low, plus a pip. So you'd be talking a stop loss now of 1.0172, which is basically where I already have the stop. Yeah, pretty much the same level. So yeah, so that's the thrust bar made on the 15 minute. I'm going to add another position, but I'm just going to wait to see if we do pull back a little. We tend to always pull back a wee bit on these thrust bars, so I'm just going to wait, just see if we pull back a little. If we don't, then it's fine. Not really too fussed, but we'll just watch this just for a wee minute and see if we do pull back, and I'll look to add another position there. Okay, so taking another position here based on the 15-minute thrust. Got in at a wee bit of a better price than the actual close of the thrust. Stop loss is the same level as the 5-minute setup, interestingly. So I'll just leave it at that for now and see how this one develops. So risking a total of 15 pips on the first one, and let's see, 20 pips on the second, so 35 pips overall here. So I'll just come back on with the video again once starts to progress either way. Okay, cheers. Okay guys, okay, so we've made it up to the TDST resistance level here at the 212, as I mentioned before. So partial profits have been taken on the 5-minute trade at the TDST, and that's been moved to break even now. I just think, you know, overall on the daily chart here, we could have a good scope for a bounce here. We've made the 9 count buy setup, and we've now bounced pretty much from that daily TDST level. So while we're actually in on that trade, it would be a good idea probably to hold it, because we've been waiting on a bounce for quite some time now on this US dollar Swiss franc. So I think it'd be worth holding the position and seeing how it goes. But certainly on an intraday basis, if you want to just come out, you can take all profit there for 25 pips at that TDST level. And so the focus now shifts to the 15-minute TDST level, which is at 1.0236. I believe that also shows up on the 5-minute chart here, 1.0255. Well, it's a bit higher there actually, so not quite, but this is where the focus turns now, obviously, for the 15-minute setup. So I shall come back again once this starts to develop, if it moves further or not. We'll wait and see. If we make a 9 count on this 15-minute, I would move the stop to break even, in case we get a serious sort of pullback on the back of that. So yeah, so that's going to be the plans going forward on this one. So I'll return once either development occurs. Okay, cheers.